Don't fall foul of fairies.
We won't.
Don't go kissing frogs.
We don't.
And don't you go mistaking wolves for puppy dogs. If elves should do the housework, it's only as a ploy. And always, girls, remember, a spindle's not a toy. There is one other tiny thing.
We don't doubt it.
That small dark room at the end of the passage that no one goes into but me.
Well, what about it?
Don't go in it.
What's behind the door, do you think? What do you think we'll see? What could be so wonderful? It's under lock and key. I bet it's something gorgeous. Gorgeous. A lovely surprise. Yes. Wedding dresses, perfumes, postcards, jewelry, fur coats, muffs and stools and stuff. I think I need a wig.
Mud, a lovely pool of bubbling mud, cherry chestnut chocolate pool. I must go in. Now kiss me. Pig! I am pig!